Hi friends, first of all thank you for being here in my YouTube channel. So in this lesson we are going to learn how to cube a number faster. So before watching this lesson, so please make sure that you are perfect the cubes up to 9. See friends, so here 1 cube means 1, 2 cube means 8 and 3 cube means 27, 4 cube means 64, so 5 cube means 125. So likewise you must be perfect the cubes up to 9. So once if you are perfect the cubes up to 9, then definitely you are going to crack the remaining cubes within a short period of time. See friends, so here are 4 different tricks by which we can cube a number. So why only 4 tricks? See friends, you take any number, that number will satisfy any one of these 4 tricks. Suppose, see friends, so what before learning that, see friends, here are 4 tricks. Just to go through these 4 tricks. First one, number starts with 1. So that means any number which starts with 1. Examples 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. All these numbers starts with 1, right? So number ends with 1. So what are the numbers which ends with 1? 21, 31, 41. So all these are numbers which ends with 1. And the next one is same numbers. So same numbers means 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, right? So these are all the numbers with same numbers. So different numbers. So different numbers means so 2 different numbers. Suppose 24, 2 and 4 are different, right? So take 35, 3 and 5 are different. Take 61, 6 and 1 are different. Okay friends, understood? I hope you understood all these 4 tricks, right? So first trick is number starts with 1, and second trick is number ends with 1, and third one same numbers, and the fourth one different numbers. So previously I told that, so you take any number. Suppose you're taking 21, right? So one number. See friends, 21. The number ends with 1, right? So it comes under second case. You take suppose 20, so let us take a 44, right? So 44. So 44 means it comes under same numbers, right? 4 and 4 are same numbers. So likewise you take any number friends. That number then definitely satisfies among these 4, any one of these 4, right? So friends, so let us consider the case number 1. So case number 1 means number starts with 1. So let us take one example. So you must cube 12. So you want to find the value of 12 cube. So in order to find the number which starts with 1, so write the number as it is, 12. Okay friends, this is the first step. Write the number as it is, and after that, so you must square and cube the second number. Second number is 2. So 2 square how much friends? 4. And 2 cube means 8. Okay friends, hope you understood. See friends, one more time I am repeating. So write 12 as it is, and square and cube the second number. 2 square will be 4 and 2 cube will be 8. So after writing this, so leave first number and the last number. So double the 2 will be 4 and double the 4 will be 8. So once if you have written this, then the problem is completed. And go through the addition. So 8 plus 4 will be 12. So I am writing 2 here, 1 here. So 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 1 will be 7. And finally 1. So finally 12 cube is 1728. Understood friends? So I am repeating one more time. So you must cube 12, right? So write 12 as it is. 2 square 4, 2 cube 8. So leave first one and the last one. Double this number will be 4 and double this number will be 8. And go through the addition. 8 plus 4, 12. So 4 plus 2 plus 1 will be 7 and 1. Finally 12 cube is 1728. Hope you understood. So by solving a lot of problems, so then definitely you are going to crack the given number within a short period of time. So let us take one more example. Okay friends, let us take one more example. Suppose you want to cube 13, right? So you want to find what is the value of 13 cube. So see friends, write 1, 3 as it is. 3 square will be 9. 3 cube will be 27. So leave first one and the last one. Double this 3 will be 6. Double the 9 will be 18. Okay friends, understood? So 13 I am writing as it is. 3 square 9, 3 cube 27. Leave first one, last one, 3 square, double the number 6, double the number 18. So 27 means 7 here and 2 here. 18 plus 2 will be 20. 20 plus 9 will be 29. So write 2 here. 6 plus 3 9. 9 plus 2 will be 11. So I am writing 1 here and 1 here. So 1 plus 1 will be 2. So finally 13 cube is 2197. Understood, friends? Suppose you want to cube 14 cube. 14 cube. So write 14 as it is. 4 square will be 16. 4 cube will be 64. So leave first one and the last one. So double the 4 will be 8 and double the 16 will be 32. And go through the addition. 4 here, remainder 6 here. So 32 plus 16 will be 48. 48 plus 6 will be 54. 4 here, 5 here. So 8 plus 4 will be 12. 12 plus 5 will be 17. So 7 here and 1 here. So 1 plus 1 will be 2. So finally 14 cube is 2744. Hope you understood, friends. So by using this kind of trick, so you are going to cube any number within a short period of time. Friends, now we are considering case number 2, the number which ends with a 1. So let us take one example. You want to find the value of 21 cube. So how to find the value of 21 cube? By using this trick. So simply, friends, so in previous we wrote the number as it is. So now follow the same procedure. Write the number as it is, but there we are doubling, we are squaring and cubing the second number. So here come from the right side, friends. So leave 1 and 2 here. So 2 square will be 4 and 2 cube will be 8. Understood, friends? So nothing I am doing. So writing the number as it is. After that leave 1. So 2 square will be 4, 2 cube will be 8. And again leave first number and the last number. Double the number will be 4 and double the number will be 8. 2 double 4, 4 double 8. Understood, friends? So now addition 1, 2 plus 4 will be 6 and 8 plus 4 will be 12. 8 plus 1 will be 9. So finally the value of 21 cube is 9261. Hope you understood, friends. So I am repeating one more time. So we want to find the value of 21 cube. Right, 21 as it is. 2 square will be 4. 2 cube will be 8. So leave first one and the last one. Double the 2 will be 4. Double the 4 will be 8. So addition 1, 2 plus 4, 6. 8 plus 4, 12. 1, 8 plus 1 will be 9. So finally the answer is 9261. So let us consider one more example. So suppose you want to find the value of 31 cube, right? 31 cube. Okay, friends. You want to find the value of 31 cube. So write 31 as it is. 3 square will be 9 and 3 cube will be 27. Okay, friends. So write 31 as it is. 3 square 9, 3 cube will be 27. So leave first one and the last one. Double the 3 will be 6 and double the 9 will be 18. Now 3 plus 6 will be 9 and 18 plus 9 will be 27. So I am writing 7 here, 2 here. 27 plus 2 will be 29. So finally the value of 31 cube is 29791. Okay, friends. I am repeating one more time. Writing 31 as it is. 3 square 9, 3 cube 27. Leave first one and the last one. Double the 3 will be 6. Double the 9 will be 8. After calculation, so finally the result is 29791. So like this, so whichever the number which ends with 1, so simply you can crack the given number within a short period of. Now case number 3, same numbers. So if you want to cube any number, right, same number, that means the same number, 22 cube. If you want to find the value of 22 cube, so here what you are going to do means, so the numbers are same, right, 2 and 2. So simply cube the 2. Okay, friends, understood? Simply 2 cube, 8, 8, 8, 8. Again leave first one and the last one. 8 double will be 16 and again 8 double will be 16. So addition 8, 16 plus 8 will be 24, 2, 8 plus 2 will be 10, 10 plus 16 will be 26, 6 here, 8 plus 2 will be 10. So finally the value of 22 cube is 10648. 10648. Hope you understood, friends. So 22 cube, so 2 cube 8, again 2 cube 8, 2 cube 8, again 2 cube 8. So leave first one and the last one. So 8 double will be 16, again 8 double will be 16. So after addition 8 plus 16 will be 4, and 8 plus 16 will be 24, plus 2 26, 2 here, 8 plus 2 will be 10. So like this you are going to find the value of 22 cube. So okay friends, so suppose if you want to find the value of 32 cube, right, 33 cube, if you want to find the value of 33 cube, so 3 cube will be 27, and again 3 cube will be 27, again 3 cube will be 27, again 3 cube will be 27. Leave first one and the last one, double the 27 will be 54, again double the 27 will be 54. Okay friends, so 27 I am writing here 7, 2 here, so 7 plus 2 will be 9, so 50, 20, 70, 77, 81, 83. Okay friends, so sum of 54, 27, 2 will be 83. Again here, so 20, 50, 70, 77, 81, 89. So 8 and 9 here. So 27 plus 8 will be 35. So finally the value of 33 cube is 35937. Understood friends? So cubing a same number is very easy friends. So just go through cube the number, 3 cube, 27, 27, 27. Leave first one and the last one, double the number. So the procedure is same friends. So once if you have written the first step, the second step automatically you must leave the first number and the last number. You must double the middle numbers. That means whatever the values which are in middle, you must double the number, and finally go through the addition and you will get the final answer. Okay friends, so trick number 4, this is the last trick. So if you want to find the cube of a different number, right? So cube of a different number. Suppose let us take one example. You want to find the value of 24 cube. 24 cube. Here 2 and 4 are different numbers, right? See friends, so to solve the cube of a different number, there is some complexity, but it is very easy friends once if you understood. So write the cube of 2 and 4 individually. So 2 cube is 8 and 4 cube is 64. Already you know 2 cube means 8 and 4 cube means 64. Write with the two ends. So one side is 2 cube and another side is 4 cube. Okay friends, once if you done by this, so what is the value of 2 square? 4. Listen friends, the value of 2 square is 4, and multiply with the another number. Here we have 4. So 4 plus 4 into 4 will be 16. Understood friends? So 2 square is 4, and this 4 into 4 will be 16. And here 4 square will be 16. 16 into 2 will be 30. Okay friends, hope you understood. First cube the 2 and write here, and 4 cube will be 64. And 2 square 4, 4 into 4 will be 16, and 4 square will be 16, 16 into 2 will be 32. Once if you done by this, the remaining step already you know. Leave the first one and the last one, double the 16 will be 32, double the 32 will be 64, and go through the additions. So 64, 4 here, remaining 6 here. 60 plus 30 will be 90, 100, 102. So 102 means I am writing 2 here, and the remaining 10 will be here. So 30, 40, 50, 56, 58. So 8 here, again 5 here. So 8 plus 5 will be 13. So finally the value of 24 cube is 13824. Understood friends? So listen friends. So one more time I am repeating. 2 cube 8, 4 cube 64, and 2 square 4, 4 into 4 will be 16, 4 square 16, 16 into 2 will be 32. Once if you done by this, leave the first one and the last one, double the 16 will be 32, double the 32 will be 64, and go through the addition. 64, 4, 6 here, so by adding all this you will get 1 or 2, 2 here, 10 here, by adding all this you will get 58, so write 8 here and 5 here, and finally 8 plus 5 will be 13. So finally we got the result. So 24 cube is 13,824. Hope you understood, friends. So see, friends, if you want to be perfect in cubing any number, follow these 4 tricks. So if you practice more and more problems, then definitely you are going to crack the given question within a short period of time. That means less than 10 seconds, friends. So please, if you like the video, please like and share my video.